Welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. In today's practice, we're going to do a back bending flow, warming up and preparing the body for deeper back bends. So get on your mat and let's get started. Let's start on all fours. You're going to stack your shoulders over your wrists, knees over the hips. Your palms are shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart. As you inhale, lift the chest up, arch the back. Distribute the back bend equally. So from your lower back, mid back, upper back, and draw your shoulders back. You don't have to lift your chin all the way up. Relax your neck. Exhale, draw the belly in, round your back. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch the back. Exhale, draw the belly in, round your back. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch the back. Exhale and round your back. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch. Exhale and round your back. One more. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch the back. Exhale, draw the belly in, round your back. Now from here, you're going to come to a neutral position. Walk only your hands forward. Don't move your hips forward. Only the hands forward. Press your chest and chin down towards the floor. On your next inhale, shift your weight forward. Drop the hips down. And see if you can lift the chest up. Tuck the toes, exhale and slowly bring your chest down. Inhale, arch the back, relax the feet. Tuck the toes, exhale, chest and chin down. Slowly lean forward, drop the hips, point the toes and push the floor away. One more. Tuck the toes, press the chest down towards the floor. Try not to shift your weight forward. Keep the hips over your knees. Stay there. Breathe. Feel the opening in your armpits, shoulders, back of your neck. And slowly, as you inhale, you're going to shift forward. Gently sink the hips, point the toes and actively push the floor away from you. Breathe, opening up your chest. From here, tuck the toes, exhale, walk your palms back and move into child's pose. Open out your knees mat width apart and you're going to push your hips back, reach your hands forward. Take 3 breaths here. 3, 2 and 1. Press the palms where they are. Tuck the toes, exhale and lift your hips up. Soften your knees and just focus on lengthening the spine. Now from here, as you inhale, shift your weight forward, go through plank, drop your hips, arch your back. When you do this, you don't want to sink the shoulders. You're actively pushing the floor away from you. Exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward, go through plank. Drop the hips, arch the back. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale and shift forward, go through plank. Drop the hips, arch the back. Exhale, back to downward dog. Last one. Inhale, shift forward, drop the hips, arch your back. Hold it here, actively push the floor away. Few breaths. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. This time as you inhale, you're going to step the right foot forward between your palms. Place the left knee down on the mat. Think about sending your hips forward and down as much as you can. Sink your hips. If you're very comfortable here, take both your arms up. Little by little start to arch back. Hips stay low. 3, 2, 1. Exhale and slowly bring your palms down. Take your right foot back into plank position. Inhale. Drop the knees down. Chest, chin down to the mat. Slide forward to Bhujangasana. Lift the chest up. Stay there. 3. Draw the shoulders back. Don't push with your palms. Use your back to stay here. 2, 1. Tuck the toes, exhale and lift the hips up. Feel free to bend the knees here. Inhale and step the left foot forward between your palms, right knee down. Once again, arms up. Start to arch the back without lifting the hip. Hip stays low, arching here. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, palms down. Inhale and step back to plank. Exhale and bring your knees down. Chest, chin down. Inhale again, Bhujangasana. Lift the chest up. This time lift your palms an inch off the floor. 3, 2, 1. Place the palms down. Tuck the toes. Exhale and lift your hips up. Going to the right side again. This time right foot slightly outside of the right palm. Left knee down. Push your hip forward. Your left palm is going to stay where it is. Take your right arm all the way back. You're going to bend your left knee. Hold on to your foot. Slowly start to bring the heel towards the butt. We want to release the thigh, your quad and your hip flexor. That will help you to deepen your back bends. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly release the foot, palm down, tuck the toes and lift your knee off. Right foot back to plank. Exhale, knees, chest chin down to the mat. Lie down flat on your belly. We're going to practice Shalabhasana this time. Tuck the palms underneath your thighs. Elbows stay outside of the body. Inhale, lift your chest up, elbows up, legs up. 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Release your hands. Inhale. Exhale and go back into Parvatasana. Knees can be soft. Lengthen the spine. Inhale and step the left foot forward between the palms. Outside of your palm and bring the right knee down on the mat. Keep the hips low. Press the right palm firmly here. Take your left arm back. Bend the knee. Use some knee support, some cushioning if you need to. Start bringing your heel closer and closer to the butt. 3, 2, 1. Release. Bring the palm down. Take your left foot back into plank as you inhale. Exhale, bring your knees, chest chin down. Slide forward, lie down on the belly. Prepare for Shalabhasana. Palms underneath the thighs, forehead down. Lift the elbows up, legs up. Stay. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, back down, release your hands. Inhale here. Exhale, once again back into Parvatasana. Take a few breaths. Following inhalation, you're going to bring your right knee between your hands into pigeon pose. Slide the left leg back as much as you can. Settle your hips down into the mat. Stay here. Keep lifting the chest tall, pushing the hip down. 3, 2 and 1. We're going to practice 2 movements here. For the first one, you're going to take your left arm back, hold on to the left foot. Start bringing the left heel close to the butt. Stay there. 3, 2 and 1. You can continue to stay here only if you are comfortable. Try to hold your ankle with one palm. Still comfortable, both palms. Start drawing your heel away from the leg, opening up through your chest, your rib cage. 3, 2, 1. Gently release. From here, tuck the left toes. Take your right foot back into plank position. Exhale, bring your knees, chest, chin down to the mat. Side forward, lie down on the belly. We'll go for a variation of Shalabhasana, wrapping your arms behind you, roll your shoulders back. Inhale, lift the chest up, both legs up. 3, 2, 1. Exhale and slowly come back down. Release the hands, tuck the toes, back into Parvatasana. Last side, inhale, left knee between your hands. Slide your right knee back so that you can settle the hips to the floor. Now don't lean the body forward, sit tall. Slightly tuck the tailbone, sit tall. If you're comfortable here, going to bend your right knee, hold from the inside of the foot. Start bringing your heel closer and closer to your hip. 3, 2, 1. Continue to stay here. If you're very comfortable, hold on to the ankle with one or both your palms. Start drawing your heel away from the butt. 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Tuck the toes. Take your left foot back into plank. Exhale, knees, chest chin down. Side forward, lie down. Take your hands back, interlock the fingers. Lift the legs up, lift the chest up. 3, 2, 1. Exhale and slowly come back down. Release the hands. This time you're going to push your hips back into child's pose. Relax the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vertebra by vertebra, you're going to roll your spine up, sit to one side and slowly lie down on your back. Hug your knees in close to the chest. Once you're done with this flow, your body is warmed up, ready to explore deeper back bends. I would recommend that you hold the stretches a little longer and according to the needs of your body. Once you're done with your back bending practice, it's great to practice a few forward folds, core strengthening moves and also some twists. For example, you can open your arms out to shoulder level on both sides. Drop both your knees towards your right, close to the elbow. Turn your head to the left. Let's stay here for a few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come back to center. Exhale, drop the knees to the left, turn your head to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to center. Hug the knees close, bring your forehead up towards the knees. Now stay in this scrunched position, extend both your hands forward. Use your belly to stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly bring the head down, bring your feet down, stretch your legs forward, relax into your Shavasana. So that was a backbending warm-up, a flow that will help you get into your deeper backbend practice. I've given you options to choose, so choose the option that is most comfortable for you, and also the duration of the holds adjusted according to your body type and what feels comfortable for you on that particular day. I really hope this one was helpful and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.